Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Windows Hello facial recognition is not working on your Windows 11 computer, and if you're receiving this error which says we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go ahead and uninstall latest installed update on your Windows 11 computer. So most of the time it's the latest update which is causing the problem. For this you can go to the start menu and then open Windows 11 settings, go to Windows Update and then click on Update History. Now click on Uninstall Updates. Now go ahead and uninstall the recently installed update on your computer. So go ahead and select it and then click on Uninstall, and once the uninstall is complete you can go ahead and log in and check. That should go ahead and fix the problem. Now the next step is to make changes in the registry. For this, go to this location. So type in a registry editor in Windows search box and then click on registry editor. Click on yes to allow. And then you have to go ahead and expand HKey local machine. Now expand software and then expand policies and then expand Microsoft. Now expand Windows and then select system. So scroll down and find system. Here you can see system. Just click on system, and on the right hand side just make a right click and then select new, then click on D32-bit value, and you have to name this as AllowDomainPINLogon. This name is provided in the video description, so you can go ahead and type in as it is. Make a right click and then click on rename and then name it as AllowDomainPINLogon, and then make a double click and set the value data to 1 and then click on OK. Now once this is done you can go ahead and close this registry editor and then restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now the next step is to install HelloFace. For this, go to this location. So open File Explorer on your computer, then go to this PC, open C drive and then open the Windows folder and then find System32 and then open System32 folder, and then you have to go ahead and open this WinBioPlugIns folder. So here you can see WinBioPlugIns, and then you have to go ahead and open FaceDriver folder. Now in case if you don't find this FaceDriver folder, you can go ahead and skip this step. So only if you find this folder, then you can go ahead and follow this step. So open FaceDriver and then over here you can find HelloFace.inf. Make a right click, show more options, and then click on install. So after the installation you go ahead and restart your computer and then check. That should go ahead and fix the problem. Now next step is to allow the use of biometrics. For this you can go ahead and open group policy editor. So for this, before you go ahead and perform this step, let me inform you this steps is only applicable if you have Windows 10 Pro or higher edition of Windows 11. So go ahead and open the run box. Go ahead and type in run in Windows search box and then click on run app. Now over here go ahead and type in gpedit.msc and then click on OK. Now you have to go ahead and expand under computer configuration. Under computer configuration you have to go ahead and expand administrative templates, expand it, and then you have to go ahead and expand system, expand it, and then select logon. Now over here you can see turn on convenience pin sign in. Make a double click and then select enabled over here, then click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to start Windows Biometric service. For this, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now scroll down and find Windows Biometric service. Make a double click on Windows Biometric service and make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start. and then click on OK. Now with this selected, go ahead and click on restart the service, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you have to go ahead and delete the content from WinBioDatabase folder. For this, first of all, you have to go ahead and disable Windows Biometric service. So go ahead and type in services, and this time find Windows Biometric service, make a double click. First of all, go ahead and stop the service. So make a right click and then click on stop. Now once it is disabled, now delete the content from WinBioDatabase folder. For this, go to this location. So open File Explorer again, and then go to this PC, open the Windows folder, open C drive, then open the Windows folder, then open System32 folder, and then this time you have to open WinBioDatabase. So here you can see WinBioDatabase. Now before you go ahead and delete anything from this folder, make a right click and then create a backup. So you can just copy this and paste it somewhere on the desktop. And once you have a backup of this file, so I have a backup on my desktop. So if something happens, I can go ahead and put the file back over here. So once you have a backup, just make a right click and then click on delete, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer. So after you delete the content from WinBioDatabase, go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the system restart, that should go ahead and fix the problem. But still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and open services. This service should start automatically, but you can go ahead and open services and go ahead and check Windows Biometric service, make a double click. And if started type is not set to automatic, select automatic, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK, and then restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to remove face recognition and PIN. So for this, you can go ahead and open Windows 11 settings. Now go to accounts and then go to sign in options. Now you have to go ahead and expand this facial recognition Windows Hello, expand it, click on this down arrow. Now once you click on this down arrow, you have to go ahead and remove this, click on remove. And after you remove Windows Hello Face, then you have to go ahead and remove the Windows Hello PIN. For this, again go to accounts and then click on sign in options, and this time select PIN Windows Hello, click on this drop down and then click on remove. Once you remove facial recognition and PIN, you can go ahead and try to set up Windows Hello PIN first. So once you remove it, go ahead and open Windows 11 settings once again, and then again expand this Windows Hello, and then you have to go ahead and set up. Once you remove it, you will find the setup option. So you have to go ahead and set up Windows Hello PIN, and then you have to go ahead and set up Windows Hello Face. Then once you set up the PIN, expand this facial recognition, and over here you will find the setup option. Click on. So you have to go ahead and remove, first of all you have to remove the Windows Hello Face, then you have to remove Windows Hello PIN, then you have to go ahead and set up Windows Hello PIN, and then you have to go ahead and set up Windows Hello Face, and then you can go ahead and check. The next step is to uninstall your camera driver and restart your computer. So open Device Manager, make a right click on the start menu, then click on Device Manager, and you have to go ahead and uninstall your camera driver. So expand camera. Over here you might find your camera, IR camera. Now if you don't find it over here, you might find it under imaging device. So it might be camera or it might be imaging device like this, and you have to go ahead and make a right click on the camera and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. And in case if you find it under imaging device, make a right click on the camera, IR camera, and then click on uninstall device. And after the uninstall, you can go ahead and restart your computer. And during the system restart, it will go ahead and install the default camera driver, and then you can go ahead and check. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and install the camera driver from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a HP computer, go to HP website. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. If you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. So make sure that you go to your system manufacturer website and then enter your model number, select your series and all that, and then you can go ahead and download and install your camera driver. So you can go ahead and download from your system manufacturer website, download the camera driver, install it, then restart your computer. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and roll back camera driver. For this, again open device manager, make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager, and then expand camera, or you have to expand imaging device. So you might find your camera under imaging device, or you might find your camera under cameras. Make a right click, and then select properties, and then you have to go to the driver tab, and then you have to go ahead and click on rollback driver. In my case, it's grayed out. In your case, if rollback driver is available over here, only then you can go ahead and perform this step. So if in case this is grayed out like me, you don't have to do this. In case only if this is highlighted, click on rollback driver, and then after the rollback, you can go ahead and check. Now the next step is to uninstall biometric driver and restart your computer. Now for this, you have to go ahead and open device manager once again, make a right click then on the start menu, then click on device manager, and then you have to expand biometric devices. Now in your device manager, you will find biometric devices like this. You have to expand this biometric device, and over here you will find your Windows Hello device. Now the name may not be same. So over here the name is Windows Hello Face software device. It might be some other name in your case. You have to go ahead and make a right click and then click on uninstall. So make a right click and then click on uninstall, and after the uninstall, you simply have to go ahead and restart your computer, and during the system restart, Windows 11 will install the default driver for your biometric, and then you can go ahead and check. Now the next step is to update your system BIOS. So to update your system BIOS, again go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have HP computer, go to HP, Lenovo. If you have a Dell computer, go to Dell. So go to your system manufacturer website, and then you have to go ahead and select your model number. This is just an example. So go ahead and select your model number. Once you select your model number on your system manufacturer website, you can go to drivers and download page, and then you can go ahead and find BIOS, and you have to go ahead and download the BIOS. So go ahead and download the BIOS, then run the BIOS file, and then install the BIOS. Now before you install the BIOS, in case of laptop, make sure the battery on your computer is more than 10% and the AC adapter, the charger is connected to the computer. So just make sure battery is more than 10% and the charger is connected, then you can go ahead and update your system BIOS. Now during the BIOS update, your system will restart, and do not unplug the power cable. So when it's updating the system BIOS, do not unplug the power cable, or it may damage your computer. So after the BIOS update, you can go ahead and log in, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now, the next step is to perform system restore. For this, you can go ahead and type in system restore. Just type in system restore in Windows search box, then click on create a restore point, and then click on system restore. Now choose a different restore point, click on next, and then you have to go ahead and select the date and time on which date your facial recognition was working fine. Suppose you started facing problem with the Windows Hello Face today, so you can go ahead and select the date and time for yesterday or maybe day before yesterday. In my case, I have only 2 restore point. In your case, you might find multiple restore points. So you have to go ahead and select the date and time on which date Windows Hello Face was working fine, and then you can go ahead and click on next, and then click on finish, and after the system restore, you can go ahead and check your Windows Hello Face. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and reset your computer. Now before you perform reset, let me inform you that you go ahead and create a backup first, because during the reset you may lose all the data on the computer. So reset may result in data loss, so just go ahead and create a backup for all your data, and then go for reset. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then once you click on settings, you have to go to Windows Update, and then you have to click on advanced options. Now go to recovery, and then here you can see the option which says reset this PC. Click on reset PC, and here you can see 2 options. One is keep my files, other is remove everything. So you can select the option which you want. So I'm selecting the first one, keep my files. When you select keep my files, it will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. But when you select remove everything, it will remove all your personal files, application and settings. So you have to start it from the scratch. So I will go ahead and select the first option, and then you have to go ahead and select local reinstall, and then click on next, and then it will go ahead and reset your computer. And after this reset, you go ahead and set up your computer once again, and then you can go ahead and set up your PIN, and then set up your facial recognition, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your facial recognition working on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.